Steps to join a Zoom meeting for the first time with a phone. First of all, step 1, switch on your phone and tap apps. It's in the bottom right corner. Step 2, in your apps screen, find out Play Store and tap it. In step 3, you are in the home page of the Play Store. Tap search box at the top. It has 3 parallel horizontal lines. In step 4, you will see the keyboard on the screen. First, type zoom.us.app and then tap search button in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. In step 5, you will see Zoom Cloud Meeting app, and next to it on the top right corner you will find install button. Tap install. In step 6, you will see a pop-up dialog box with a button at the top bottom corner, at the bottom right corner. It's accept. Tap accept. In step 7, you will find your Zoom app installed. It is downloaded and installed, and instead of install button there will be open button. Tap open. In step 8, you will see a mini tutorial for Zoom meeting, but instead of you may try to see what is there by swiping to the left or right. You can see what the app says about using this Zoom meeting app, and after that you can there is a big button, join a meeting button. A blue button, and you can tap that join a meeting button. In step 9, it is asking you the meeting ID which you have received from your friends, and there will be the keyboard of numbers will you will find there in the bottom. So type meeting ID number and then tap join. In step 10, you will see a pop-up dialog box, and there is a box for meeting passcode. It is asking you to enter the meeting passcode you have received from your friend. And now tap meeting passcode here and tap OK. In the step 11, you have typed the meeting passcode, and now tap OK. When you tap OK in step 12, you will see the video preview window, and you have two options to join with video or join without video. So you can tap anyone. I am going to tap join without video, and in step 13 you are in the meeting, and you can see your avatar and the bottom right corner. So you are here. At least if you want to show yourself, you can tap start video button next to the green share button in the middle. Okay, happy zooming.